studying computer science in any Nigerian university means you will come out writing code like a Silicon Valley hacker. I need to start you from there. I'm a student, I love it, and today I'm going to tell you what to expect and what not to expect before you pick this course. My name is Osama. I'm a data analyst and also a student studying computer science. A lot of people go into this course with wrong picture in their head, thinking they are going to become hackers, cybersecurity engineers, AI engineers, data scientists, just by sitting from one lecture room to another. So today I have 5 viral things you need to know before you commit to that. Expect math, not just code. So don't think you walk in just and start writing code, start creating apps in your first year. So this is never going to happen in Nigerian university. Expect calculus, expect linear algebra, expect discrete mathematics, expect statistics and physics, and sometimes they call it digital electronics or physics electronics. So most of the times you will spend good 2 years, first 2 years of your school doing heavy mathematics without even touching any serious programming. So if you don't like maths, this course will humble you. Point number 2. Don't expect labs with full of real coding project, like GitHub collaborations, creating an apps as a class exercise. No, don't expect that. What you should expect is that you are going to expect a lot of theory, like writing code on a paper, a lot of chalkboard teaching, and then writing pseudocode, flowchart, and everything, something like that. You are going to write them on the paper, and the exam in the school most of the times is like they want to test whether you understand a concept, not whether you can build something that actually work. So here what they are trying to tell you is that the practical experience of computer science, like writing code and other things like that, is not guaranteed by the curriculum, so you have to learn it by yourself. Point number 3, expect outdated tools and infrastructure. So don't expect lab with latest software, fast internet connection, reliable power supply. So don't expect that. What you are going to expect is that you should expect all computers, all transistors, because I remember up to now in our school they are using Notepad to write code, which is some of the times there is code editors, many code editors now, but then up to now they are using Notepad to write Java, to write HTML, so expect that. Point number 4, expect to teach yourself. Don't expect the degree alone will make you job ready and become software developer, AI engineer, data scientist, cybersecurity expert, and the rest. What you should expect is that you should expect that you are the one going to teach yourself from YouTube, from Coursera, from IVM, from Harvard University. So all those resources, expect that you are the one going to sit down and then teach yourself all that. Point number 5, expect broad foundation, not specialization. So don't expect that after you graduate you are going to graduate as a software engineer, as a AI expert and something like that. The degree is not going to make you the expert. So the degree will only give you foundation of almost every aspect of computer science, like engineering, software development lifecycle, for example, software development principles, and like operating system, databases, networking, and something like that. So that's what the degree is all about. It's going to give you the foundation of almost every aspect of computer science. The specializations comes after you graduated, and then through your project, following YouTube tutorials and the rest. So that is where you are going to be specialized by yourself, do project a lot. If you are a student also, want to become want to study computer science, don't let this scare you. Just go in with right expectation. And if this video is helpful, please drop a like, subscribe for more honest breakdown like this one, and tell me in the comment section if you are still studying computer science, what is your experience, and I will see you in the next video.